I want to welcome you back to another video, and if it's your first time here, my name is Young Fizz. I also go by Mr. Dope Status on Instagram. You can follow me there. I make helpful machine tutorials as well as other audio related content. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the NKS, better known as Native Kontrol Standard. And if you've been feeling confused about how NKS works, today you've come to the right place because I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up. And particularly, I'm going to be using my launch key here. And also, I'm going to be using it with Komplete Kontrol. It also works with devices such as Ableton and Logic as well. So before you even get started, what you want to do is make sure you have everything set up correctly. So I'm going to go up to the three dots, which is located right here. We're going to go down to Controller and then Controller Manager. And right here, it's going to say brand. You can filter it by the different brands. So Akai, we have Korg, M Audio, Nectar, Novation. So for me, I'm particularly using the launch key. This is the 49 Mark IV from Novation. So I'm just going to look for where it says launch key 49 Mark IV by Novation. I click this to confirm here. So off to the right here, it says Novation Launchkey 49 Mark IV. It says switch the knobs to Pods Custom 1 and the pads to Pads Custom 3 CC switches on your Novation Launchkey 49 Mark IV. Make sure that the Komplete Kontrol plugin receives MIDI from the device. So we just double click that to make sure we have it selected. I already have mine selected, so I'm all good to go there. So the next thing I want to do is hold down Shift, and we're going to do Custom 1, and that's going to say Komplete Kontrol. And so we should all be good to go. And then also, we're going to test my keyboard just to make sure I hear sound.
Stop!
If there is any reason why you're not hearing sound coming from your keyboard, it's probably because you don't have your preferences set up correctly to receive MIDI data. So hit Command, comma on your keyboard and go over to where it says MIDI here. And then also you want to make sure this is set to Launch Key Mark IV or whatever MIDI device that you're using here. So again, I'm using Launch Key Mark IV 49. I have MIDI out and also for DAW out as well. And then if you need to, for other programs, you can select this as well. So it says Launch Key Mark IV, and this is the DAW in right here. So everything looks good, set up perfectly. So we're gonna close out of this. And now you should be able to play your notes. So mine sounds pretty good. So now what you wanna do, you have the different controls, as you can see is highlighted right here. So now it says DAW right here. So I hit that. I can go back. If I want to go forward, I just hit the drum, which is right here. So next I have Custom 1 and then I have Custom 2, so I can change the different instruments, or if I have a plugin loaded, I can change that as well. So let's go ahead and type that in there and check out the plugin chain. So let's say, for example, I have like another plugin loaded. I don't know. Let's see, maybe a Little AlterBoy. I can use this to switch between the different pages here. So that is pretty much how that works there. And then right here we have the different pages we can select. So let me go ahead and load on the screen here. You can see where I could switch between the different pages. So we got the encoders, control the balance, low cut. If I'm going between A and B, I can select this here as well. So again, if we want to go over to the Little AlterBoy, so we can change this here to the shift mode. go back. Come over here, we can go ahead and bypass it for now. Go back. So as you can see, this is a real simple solution in order to control the different sounds for Komplete Kontrol. You can also load it in Logic, Pro Tools, Ableton, things like that, in order to control your different sounds. So I hope you found this video to be valuable. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. Another thing that I want to mention is if you do purchase something like the Launchkey, then you also get Komplete Select for free. So make sure you go out and pick up a Launchkey from Novation or another hardware controller that supports NKS. It's your boy Young Fizz, Mr. Dope Status on Instagram. Hope you found this video to be valuable. If you did, hit that like button. I want to thank you for tuning in, and we will see you on the next video. We out.